Learn how to fix error code 5011 on your Canon Pixma G3770 printer in this video. Don't miss out, like, subscribe, and stay tuned till the end. If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions, or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support. Turn on the printer, and upon startup, you notice the printer displaying error 5011. Dear friends, as you can see, error code 5011 has appeared on our printer. The first step, if the printer is already on, you should turn it off as. In the second step, press and hold the printer's power and cancel buttons together for 10 seconds. Now release the cancel button and press only the power button, then press the cancel button for times. Finally, release the power button. And now wait at least 1 minute for the Canon printer to reset to factory settings and be ready for use. Please like and subscribe to Channel Device Doctor for our informative tutorials on printers and the latest technology.